Today we want to learn Webflow in a different way. We want to explore how we can recreate a website which I like its style and recreate it fully with Webflow, and whenever it needs, we will use custom codes. The website we have today is called Waste Not. The reason I want to explore this website is it uses a combination of knowledge you need to have for basic development skills and also CMS to manage the content. If you're new to Webflow, you don't need to be scared. We will explore everything you need to know as a developer to develop this website. Let's make the long story short and jump in the middle of the development. Before you do anything, you must divide each website into smaller sections. For this example, we have a navigation bar which contains a big logo on the left, and the logo also has left margin. So the logo is not attached to the left side of the browser. Also, we have some links here on the desktop viewport which you can see. As you can see, each link has a special style, they become green when you hover over the links. We have a section underneath the navigation bar which is our hero section. It contains the hero text, a supporting text and also a drop-down menu. The second section has been divided by two smaller sections. The right one contains an image, and as you can see, there is a smaller image in the middle of the right section. The left one contains a text which explains the goal of this website. Let's explore the other sections of the homepage. The third section contains a small header, and the bottom part is being divided by three smaller and similar sections. Each small section contains an image and a supporting text. Let's see how the fourth section behaves. We have a subtitle and a big title here. Also, a beautiful image which looks hot. The other elements are using CMS, and we must tell CMS to list the last items which have been added recently. Not too easy considering the design, but not too hard. Finally, we have footer. As you can see, it is divided by two smaller sections. One contains a big image and some links, and the other section you must consider before get started developing is learning how the website behaves on different devices. In general, we must optimize websites as a developer for 3 breakpoints on desktop: 1280 pixels, 1440 pixels and 1920 pixels. We have tablets too, and we have mobile devices. Inspect elements on Chrome will help you to have a better understanding of how the website behaves on different breakpoints. One thing you must consider is sometimes the websites behave different in real devices. And you must ask your friends or people who you have access to must help you to debug the website. It's a pain, but it's a reality. The website is using a hamburger menu instead of the links we have inside footer on mobile devices. Also, considering the mobile DVs provide a small area, we must try to align everything vertically. So, the alignment of the sections changes on mobile phones. Regarding the behavior of the website on big screens, the navigation bar has a fixed position. We need to work on it. Also, we need to work on the drop-down menu of the hero section. It divides the products by their tag, and when you click on one, it takes to a new page where that tag is being selected. And only products with that specific tag are being shown. For this website, we will use a plugin which is called Csspeeper. Actually, we don't need this as we can use inspect elements of Chrome instead, but to make the process easier, we use it. This plugin will help us to export colors. Not great, but helps us to find the fonts are being used and also export the assets. The other feature which I love about this extension is it allows us to find the margin, padding and other calculations the developer had done to make the website ready. By the way, the website is refreshing itself as soon as we reach the top section again. We can do it by using custom codes to tell website to do so. It's not something that you can do by using the default features of Webflow. Sorry guys if set high hopes on Webflow. Let's start the development of our website. To respect the copyright and not get banned on YouTube and other websites, we use similar and free fonts. But I still want to tell you how the fonts must be set. The first thing we must do, we download Playfair display font from Google Fonts. Also, for supporting text, unlike what you see on the Waste Not website, we use a different font. We add Enter for supporting texts. The most important thing is, when you want to add new fonts to your website, don't add many font weights because it makes the website slow when a new user tries to open it. Waste Not website is using only one font weight. We will stick to it. We add a regular weight of both fonts I've already mentioned. Upload fonts by pressing the green button. Now you have this screen. In web there are some cases the user browser can't load the custom fonts we have used in our website. So, we have tell browser to load some defaults fonts in case this happens. Enter is close Arial. So, let's tell browser to load Arial in case the user browser can't load our custom font. Also, Playfair display is close to Times and we set the fallback for this font to Times. The fonts are done. Let's develop the website. You're only a few seconds away from calling yourself a real developer.